Hiya. Okay, so for this month, I just Googled solstice poems, and a bunch of good ones came up, but not ones that I really felt could be sung. And then this, little Shakespearean song from As You Like It popped up, and I read through it, and then I sang through it, and a melody came out of my mouth, and it seemed fine, so I recorded it into my phone so I wouldn't forget it, and so that's about how long it took to set this one. That's apparently something that the Monty Python guys said about Peter Cook, that it would take the Python guys like 8 hours to write like a really good 2-minute sketch, but it would take Peter Cook like 2 minutes to write a really good 2-minute sketch. So I kind of took a Peter Cook approach to this one. Yeah, it goes into the Dorian mode, at times, for those of you who are into that kind of thing. And yeah, it's like this. It's called Blow, Blow Thou Winter Wind. Blow, blow, thou winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen, because thou art not seen, although thy breath be rude. Hey ho, sing, hey ho. Unto the green holly, most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hey ho the holly, this life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, that dost not bite so nigh as benefits forgot. Though thou the waters warp, thy sting is not so sharp as friend remembered not. Hey ho, sing hey ho. Short. Happy solstice, Merry Christmas, all the things.